In this video, you'll learn how to create a page on Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully added a new page to your workspace, ready for content and organization. Begin by navigating to Notion either through the app or the website. If prompted, sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and open the specific workspace where you wish to create your new page. On the left sidebar, you will see a list of existing pages. It is essential to ensure you have the necessary permissions to add new content within this workspace. Take a moment to decide where you would like your new page to reside within your existing structure, as this will help in organizing your content effectively. Next, look for the Add Page button in the sidebar, which is typically represented by a plus sign or similar icon. Click on this button to initiate the creation of your new page. You will be presented with the option to start with a blank page or select from various templates. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After making your selection, you will need to enter a clear and descriptive title for your page. If desired, you could also add an icon or cover image to personalize the page further. Once you've completed these steps, you can immediately start adding content blocks to your new page. After creating the new page, it is important to organize and save your work. Begin by adding headings, lists, or databases as required to structure your content. Organizing your information clearly will enhance readability and make it easier for others to navigate if necessary. Drag the page within the sidebar to place it in the correct location according to your workspace's hierarchy. Before sharing or utilizing the page, take a moment to review its layout and ensure that everything is arranged neatly. Maintaining a clean and simple structure will facilitate better understanding and collaboration. As you create pages, keep in mind that large amounts of content or complex structures may take longer to load or save. If you experience any delays, check your internet connection, as a slow upload speed can affect your ability to save changes promptly. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage space in your Notion account to accommodate new content. This will prevent any interruptions while you are working on your projects. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.